In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into TurboTax account. Let's keep this simple and stress-free. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to pick up exactly where you left off with your taxes. Before we begin, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and that your web browser is up to date. This helps pages load correctly and keeps your information secure while you sign in. Start by heading to the TurboTax website or opening the TurboTax app. On the website, look toward the upper right corner of the page for the Sign In Sent In button. It's a standard entry point to your Intuit account, which is the same account used across other Intuit products. If you are on the app, the Sign In option is typically on the main welcome screen. Take a quick glance at the address bar for the lock icon and the correct domain to confirm you're on the official site. Next, enter your email and your password in the appropriate fields. Use the email associated with your TurboTax or Intuit account, the one you used when you created it previously. Passwords are case sensitive, so watch for extra spaces if you're copying and pasting, and make sure caps lock isn't accidentally on. If there's a show or hide password toggle, consider revealing your password briefly to confirm everything looks right. If you use a password manager on a trusted device, it can help autofill these details accurately, but avoid saving credentials on public or shared computers. Once your information looks correct, proceed to sign in. You may see a quick security or loading screen. That's normal and helps protect your account. If your account has enhanced security enabled, you might briefly be asked to confirm your identity on your trusted device. Just follow the on-screen prompts as they appear. After you are signed in, you should land on your TurboTax dashboard or homepage. A simple way to verify you are in the right place is to look for your profile icon or account menu near the top of the screen. From here, you can continue a return you started earlier, start a new one, or review your documents and settings. If something doesn't look right, take a moment to confirm you signed in with the correct email tied to your prior filings. That's it. Click Sign In, enter your email and password, and you're in. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get logged in quickly and confidently.